Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Descript. Now Descript is an easy to use audio and video editor, and we'll be covering the essential features for quick and efficient editing. I'm assuming you already have an account, so we'll be showing an example of how to transcribe audio video and demonstrate how you can edit by editing text, and we'll be discussing the scene reel. Currently, what you're seeing is the Learn Descript demo project, which is what you will see if you're just starting out with Descript. However, when you get here and you're trying to make your own project, all you need to do is to go over to the top left corner, click on the home icon, and then you'll see this page. Now, on the right side, you can see new project. You can click on it, and then you have three options: video project, audio project, and record with others. We're going to click on video project. In here, we're going to upload a file. We could either drag and drop it here or click on upload file to find the file. If you have a video on YouTube or Giphy, you can put in the link here in order to begin. You also have the option to import from Zoom or write an AI speech. Now, there are other options here, such as see more layouts, but we're going to go ahead and click on upload file. So we just dragged and dropped in our video, and you can see automatically it says transcribing. Your transcript will be ready in a few minutes. And here you can see the name of the video. When you hover over it, you're going to see the full name. Now this is a video we worked on our channel, and we'll be using this as an example. And here you have the speaker name, and you can give the speaker a name. We can keep the speaker David, press and enter, and now we've given the speaker a name. The language is automatic, of course, it's in English, and here the checkbox always asks before detecting speakers. We're going to click on done, and here you can see the activity. It's currently uploading, and after uploading, it's going to prepare it for transcription. So we're going to give it a few seconds. And after it's done uploading, you can see here it's transcribing, so we're going to give it a few moments. And there you have it, it's currently at 100. Here you can see the name David, which is the name of the speaker which we give it, and here you can see it happen. Now, just by putting this video, you can click on play and see what happens. Let's click on play. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to add a signature in Gmail with logo. In order to do this, we're going to go over to our Gmail, and then at the top right corner, you can tap on the gear icon. And as you can see from our video, we now have our detailed transcript, and so far it's really accurate. So now we've shown you how to transcribe your video very easily by simply uploading the video, and now you have your transcript. The next thing we'd like to show you is how you can edit by editing text. So the cool thing about Descript is you can cut away parts of your video by editing out the text. So let's say we just want to do the what's up everyone. We'll be showing you how to add a signature in Gmail with logo. So what we can do is to highlight this. And then after highlighting it, we can click on the three dots here, click on delete. And right now we have what's up everyone. We'll be showing you how to add a signature with Gmail. Let's have a look at what we've done and see if it worked. Click on play. What's up everyone? We'll be showing you how to add a signature in Gmail. So as you can see, we've nicely edited out that part of the video, but not by editing the video itself, but by editing the transcript, which is tied to the video itself. So you just simply need to click on the part of the text you don't want to have in the video, and that will take care of the video itself. And if you feel you made a mistake, you can simply do undo, and then you have in this tutorial, and we can play it again to confirm. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to add a so there you have it. So now we want to edit the text some more, and say you want to change what's up everyone to hello everyone. So we have the text highlighted, and then we're going to click on regenerate. Here you have the option to change the word, and here it's going to ask you to use your microphone. You can say allow, and the next step is training. So you'll need to train the Descript AI to have your voice and to be able to clone it. So it says here, record the statement below to train your speaker and authorize its use. For the best results, read with range in your vocal tone. So we're going to give it a try. So I'm going to read all of this, and I'll click on record. I want Descript to create an artificial version of my voice that I can use to create speech that sounds like me. So after making the recording, I just press the stop button, and the next thing will be to submit it. And here is authorizing the speaker. And when it's doing that, you can also notice that the text is fading in and out. This means that it's currently working, and you have to give it a moment. So here you can see speaker authorized. You can now use David for speech generation. It's currently generating AI speech and we're going to wait for a few moments. So now we have the green tick and it says all completed. Now we're going to give it a try and click on play. Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add a signature in Gmail with logo. So you can refine it if you want, or you can click on regenerate. And the next thing we'd like to show you is the scene rail. Now we can go over to the timeline. Down here you can see show timeline, and here you can see all our speeches. So here you see what's up everyone in this tutorial, and you can see how it works and how it's going. So we can move the player ahead by pressing on Shift and scrolling our mouse, and we can see all the details that we have right here. So now one more thing we'd like to show you is how you can make your edits right here. And here you have some options. This is a select option. You also have the blade tool by pressing B. You have the range, you have the slip, and you have the hand tool. So say we want to delete this, we can click on the blade tool, click on this, and then click on this area. And this takes care of this area. So when we click on it, we can also click on the hand tool and we can move it to see what's more ahead. So now that we've cut this range, we can move it forward or backward depending on what we want. We could also press on delete and it's going to delete that part of the video. Press on undo and it returns it back. Now one more thing we'd like to show you is how you can use studio sound. So if you're recording in not such a great environment, you can make your sound better by clicking on studio sound. So here we selected this part and it's currently audio leveling this part of the video. Of course, in your case, you might want to select everything to make it even. You have the audio, opacity, size and position of your video and the duration, and all these settings you can use to make your video better. So we hope at this point you're able to use Descript to be able to at least go ahead and edit your audio or your video, edit by editing the text and using the scene rail to make some more editing options.